police personnel. I am deeply concerned. In fact, if you have noted, I have asked several questions on requirement of police in Parliament. Especially don't get vehicles, etc. Other equipments which are electronic equipments which are required. So I have been raising this, and one by one you are getting whatever help you require in future. In other aspects, I told about 2 gyms, but if you have got something in mind, apart from the gyms, you can come to me. I will see whether I can listen.
By establishing a gym, you can give the most valuable thing to an individual, that is health. Now health is wealth, very rightly some wise people have said this. Without health there is absolutely nothing. You might be the most, you might be in the most powerful position, you might be wealthiest person in the country, but if you do not have health, then you don't have anything. You do not have the mindset to enjoy any of this, whatever you have. Sir, from the entire Goa police, on behalf of DGP, Goa, all other ranks, I would like to profusely thank you, and from the members of each of the family, for giving us equipments, for giving us an infrastructure on which now we can build our health and we can look fitter and improve the image of